I'm here at the renowned artist house on Crystal Lake in northern Michigan, and I'm gonna take you on a tour of creating the most delicious and healthiest pancakes you could possibly ask for. All right, Dan, will you show us how to make pancakes?
I would love to show you how to make pancakes. So it begins with sprouted grains, and the sprouted grains that we prefer to use are quinoa, millet, and buckwheat. Sprouted overnight. You put them in a blender in equal proportions. Let's say a cup and a cup and a cup. Okay, could be a little bit more buckwheat if you want. That's fine. And then chia seeds have been sprouted for half an hour or so. They can go in there, and now you have basically all the things that are going to make up the bulk of the pancake. You blend. And again, it's kind of getting the Vitamix is really important. A normal blender probably won't handle this because it's such a big thing to grind up all these grains and stuff. So you kind of have to have something strong like a Vitamix. All right, so you do that, grind them up, and then you are ready for a little bit of salt. And I'd say a teaspoon. If you've got that much batter, in your Vitamix, what's just like 6 or 7 cups, then maybe a teaspoon to taste. Then it's probably a teaspoon of baking soda, maybe a little bit more. And really it's important not to add too much baking soda because then they taste terrible. So then once that's all blended up, then you pour in, I would say, a tablespoon or more of vinegar while it's blending, while you're paying attention. And what might happen is it might rise up a little bit and the blender might start to cavitate because there's now a lot of air in the mix. And then you stop, turn it off, and you're done. And you can start putting it on the griddle. Well, we have seasoned this properly, so they should be okay. I could put a little bit more coconut oil on it, but I'm not going to. Ooh, that's the sound we like to hear. You see they're bubbling up, which means that baking soda. And actually, the thing that's nice about this is not only do we have the baking soda and the vinegar, which basically help them be fluffy, but the fact that these grains have sprouted and maybe even fermented a little bit also adds more air to them and makes them fluffy.
I've never done anywhere down there. Just don't. I would
Who knows?
just not.
This is the pancake warmer that, as we're generating a critical mass of pancakes so that we can actually feed everybody, we put them in here in the time being. We try and do this without using our hand, burning our hands. Perfect. I didn't burn my hand, I like that. And then we just go like this. Ready? Snag one off there. Go! Go, Jack, go! Just grab one. They're not that hot. So we're trying one of these non-wheat, non-egg pancakes on this random person we pulled off the street who's actually never had anything as odd as our sprouted pancakes before.
Could you pass me the syrup?
Yes. Now, use as much syrup as you like, but I would suggest you go easy on it because we really want you to get the full flavor of the pancake and not so much like overwhelmed with syrup. Yeah. The first bite or two. You want me to do it? Yeah. Okay, you just say when.
Just you do it.
Hang on. I need a little, there we go. Now we're talking. Okay, there you go. That's a reasonable amount of maple syrup for any.
Can I borrow this now?
Yeah, go for it. Yeah?
These are pretty good.
Okay. Now, Ivy and Savvy.
Wait, do it again.
Ivy and Savvy, please take note. This is a completely non-rehearsed moment here. You can see Jack is, he's a great actor, but he's certainly not in acting mode right now. He's happily eating these pancakes. Are they kind of fluffy or a little more like heavier?
They're pretty fluffy.
Okay. Ready for another one?
Do you ever eat like peanut butter and jelly?
Well, check it out. Wouldn't that be an amazing peanut butter and jelly sandwich?
Yes.
Like just,
Well, that's basic. He's halfway there.
Yeah.
You know what we ate last time on this? We ate marinara and pesto sauce on our pancakes. Yeah,
Actually,
it's just like bread.
Yeah, it's exactly. It's
a
like,
bread type thing.
Yeah, the thing is,
fun.
if we added cinnamon to these, they'd be even more amazing.
Oh,
they're kind of fun.
Somewhere in Central and South America for a couple of years.
Pancakes.
So we're just kind of
Muy bueno.
They're so good.
Impossible.
So, like when it's cooking.
Yeah, when it's cooking.
Yeah, and then they come over, so it's like super doughy, delicious.
Oh my god. And this is actual maple syrup, the real thing. Actually, hang on. Let's just toss a few of these on here. These are Organic blueberries. Huh? How's that? Doesn't that look pretty? A little splash of blueberry juice on there, and here's some pancakes, maple syrup, real maple syrup from actual maple trees that have not been harvested with formaldehyde in the tubes. There's some things you want to think about when getting maple syrup. There's hints of red wine and waving fields of grain, sunshine. I can taste the sunshine in there. Fresh air and groundwater.